Hey guys, Neal I Am Fitness. We're going to do a quick 10-minute workout to get your blood moving. Ready? And let's go. Start jogging. There we go. Good, good. Get the arms moving, up and down. Start getting blood flowing from the chest down to the ankles. Yeah, there we go. Nice and easy. Yep. All right, let's bring the high knees into this. Ready? And go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to jog. There you go. And start moving the arms up and out. Up, out. Good job. Right there. And into some side lunges. Right. Good. Nice and easy, side to side. Just get those legs moving. Good job. We'll come right back into jog. And jog it out. Like I said, we're going to do a real quick warm-up and we're going to get into the workout. Okay? A couple more seconds in the workout, all right? Let's bring those high knees up one more time. Ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, good job. Right into the workout, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 20 squats. What I want you to do is feet shoulder width apart, sit into it. Don't let your kneecaps go in front of your toes, okay? And sit. Hold it there for a second. Up, that's 1, 2, 3, good job. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come on, 9, 10, keep going, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, last one, come on. 20, good job, good job. All right, alternating lunges, ready? Let's go. Right into it, there we go. Doing good, doing good. Right there. Keep rubbing those out, back and forth. Push back, keep your balance straight, right? Chin up. There we go. If you keep your chin up, your back will stay aligned, right? There we go, keep going. You got this. A little bit more. Doing great, doing great. Good job, good job. All right, last one. 1 and 2. Good job. All right, skaters are next, side to side, all right? Look behind. Right there. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Want a little more advanced, put a little more hop into it. Doing good, come on. Keep moving, I know, start to feel it. Now's the time to push. About 10 more seconds. And relax. Okay. Now we're going to go down and do some push-ups. You can do a modified push-up with your knees on the ground. You can also do a wall push-up. Get ready, we're going to knock some out. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, good job. All right, we're going to get on the mat now, or on the floor, and we're going to do Supermans. All right? We're going to do our Supermans. We're up for 2 seconds, down for 1. Ready? Come up, hold, and down. Come up, hold, and down. Push those hips in the ground, and down. There we go. Fly away, fly away. Good job, keep it up. Keep repping them out. 2 seconds up, 1 second down. There you go. Doing good, doing good. And down. And up. And down. All right, come on up. We're going to sit-ups. All right. Ready? Let's hit 20 sit-ups. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, last one, 20. Good job. Back up top for squats. All right, this time we're doing 10. Deep shoulders width apart. Down, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doing good. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Into lunges. And back. Good. Nice and easy. Make sure your balance is there. Good technique. Even when you start to get tired, take a little slower if you have to. Good job. Good job. Back and forth. There we go. Alright, coming down this, we're going to skaters. Ready? Side, side. Doing good. Come on. You got this. 3 minutes left. Alright, let's go down and hit some push-ups. Alright? Knock out 10. Ready? On the ground. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, on the mat. Hit some Supermans. Alright, this time we're going to hold it for 3 seconds up and down 1, okay? So from up, hold, and down. Up, 1, 2, 3, 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 and down. Good job, good job. All right, into sit-ups. Ready? Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 more. 13, 14, 15. All right, up top. Light, easy stretch, okay? Got 1 minute left. Put your right foot forward, left foot back, lean into it. Get a nice stretch into the hips. Open them up. Good. Keep straight posture, right? Straight aligned spine when we do this. We don't want to be hunched over. So keep a straight aligned spine, push our hips into it. Create a nice stretch down the left side here, okay? All right, step back, left foot forward, sit into it. Again, good posture here. Straight hips. There you go. Nice and easy. Make sure you start to breathe. Control your breathing. In and out. Good job. Good job. All right, take a step back. We're going to do a real quick little arm stretch. Right arm to the left side. Hold in right here. And relax. Shake it out. Left arm out to the side, come across. And relax. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me.